We know what it's like, trying to look normal around your friends and in photos, when deep down, all you want to do is get weird.
Quack.
Well, set your weird free with giggling dads, yodeling, and uncomfortable silences. New shows are popping off every weekend morning with weekend premieres. Weekend mornings on Disney Channel.
What would you do if you gave everything for your goals, but remained empty-handed? Meet Hawkmoth, whose miraculous dreams lie broken for one reason.
Ladybug and Cat Noir defeating Hawkmoth, one Akuma at a time.
Found it!
But you can help by watching New Miraculous Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noir. Returns Monday the 9th of May on Disney Channel. Thank you.
This is the 7D, back with incredible new episodes, featuring songs like Cattywampus,
Meow, 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 catty, 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 cattywampus, oh yeah.
the mining song,
Underground, digging up the gem. The 70 are hard at work again.
and the calming lullaby. The 7D, new episodes weekdays at 10:40 on Disney Channel.